So we have our hole in our support, and we need to make the support a component. There we go. Maybe we should name this support board. And like you can control and paste and just move around these. It's really nice actually. This is too tall. Now, in some way we are done. We could just print this and be done with it, but let's not do that, because we can make it a bit better than this. This would print standing up like this, and the weakest part will be this piece here. So what we could do is just make this a bit stronger, and as always it's a rectangle, and I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing here, so just I'm guessing make this like half the way. And another rectangle. Rectangles, all days. Extrude this out. That would support the bending. Would make it, you know, a bit resistant to bending. A bit better. Then we need to now if we print this standing up, this will want to fall down. It will be in midair and try to print it. So let's give it some support. Let's fill it, and we'll make it symmetrical. It's always nice, and this is really good in Fusion. It's super easy. Can't go wrong. 15 is fine. This is also fine. Now it's like double the goodness, but it will still print pretty badly. This massive overhang here. Now we could just enable support, but well, this is the tutorial, so let's make our own support. Now my extruder nozzle is 0.4 millimeters thick, so a support material cannot be thinner than this, so 0.4 is what we can do. And now it's extrude E, this little guy, and again it's not distance, it's to the roof. And yeah, I think I need to make this a new body. I'm not sure. New body. Now we can take this new body and pattern it And now we have one object selected, and now it needs a direction. The direction is that way, and that's that way. So this will be cut off later by me. So this doesn't really matter. But that will probably print fine, I think. So if we go back here, now it's starting to look like something. And again, you can just copy paste here the components. So copy paste over there. And support, copy paste there. It's fine. So yeah, I'm well aware that 2 screws could do this job as well, but you know, why would you do that? It's totally not fun at all. You could actually, if you make a line here from there, and you make 2 points, just make them equal distance from the center. Yeah, cool. You press H for hole, U, and that's a tad this much too big. I'm more looking for something like an M4 screw. Yeah. What's wrong with you? I still want it. It's just so huge. Also, I don't know where they got these from. There, you just insert the screws to your heart's content. Later on, and we managed to do that somehow. Not sure how. I don't really care. That's our support. Now we need to make this 3D printable. So to make this 3D printable, we just need to export our support as an STL file. That's this guy. So right click, save as STL. This is all fine. Yes. And then you open your favorite 3D printing. Oops, might have tried this before. There we go. And you slice it. And it slices fine. So it looks fine. Might need some more external layers, but our support did not make it here. So my guess is it's too thin. So we need to change that back. Excuse me. And then this is actually the support. I want to edit this feature sketch. For some reason it won't let me do that until I roll the history back to just before. Here we go. No, that's not right. It's the sketch I want to edit. Profile sketch. And it should actually print its width. So I think it's a bit weird. And you're still fine. Support number 2. Try this again. Slice. Now support, I've made it here. This is just one single row, so it's going to be 0.4 because that's my nozzle size. Now it's ready to print. I think this is going to print just fine. It's going to take 3 hours 59 minutes. It's unacceptable. Yeah, we're just going to tweak this a bit. So we're back in Fusion. The print for printing 2 is actually 8 hours, and it's no problem really, but I made this bit too sturdy. I think it doesn't need to be this big, so we're just gonna roll back to, and this is really good in Fusion. Here we go. So edit this, profile sketch. So 1 centimeter, what was I thinking? No, more like 5. This actually needs to be like at least something. There we go. Let's go forward again. This still looks totally fine, you know. This hole needs to be fixed. But I think also it doesn't need to be all this high. So let's find that extrusion. It's this guy. So 60, come on man, more like 40. 40 is a good number. So roll forward again. And now something kind of fell out. This looks fine. This looks wrong. So there's a problem. It's not centered anymore. It was never centered. It probably just didn't cause any problems before. Come on, buddy. There's no need for this. Thanks. Thanks. So forwards. And I mean, this is still going to hold up just fine. Right? What's going on here? Move is just the M key.